Hello everyone, welcome viewers. So this is Symphony 3D 20i. 20i is the size of the liter, the tank, and this is a tank. Um, it's it's quite high and it does the job, but there are something which needs to be checked before we go ahead. So when you first turn on, it will start beeping. The reason is because it's got no uh, water to the certain level. It needs to have a. So when you turn it on and press power, it will start beeping. Okay, that is the sign that there's no water in a tank. Okay, so itself is a good throw, and it's got a 3D panel. But please make sure that don't get confused with the panel, that the panel operates by itself. When you press the remote, you have to use it manually. It's not electronic panel that moves up by itself. So you have to pull it up and then you use it. Okay. Um, it's got three three speed mode for the fan. Okay, and you will use the cool button when you have a water at least 5 liter in a tank. This is when you can use it because it won't stop beeping, and this red light won't disappear until you have enough water, at least 5 liter. There is a swing option for the fan and the a timer. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4+1, 4+2, so 6 hours in total, 7 hours in total. If you want to do it for 7 hours, that's a maximum time you can set on the timer. Okay, and it's quite good. And the remote I should show you. So the remote can be sticked on the body, but it's only on here. So the rest of the body is all plastic. Okay. The reason it's called 3D is because it's got three-dimensional filters. So one on this side, one at the back, and one on this side. So three sides. That's why it's called three-dimensional 3D 20i with advanced filtration. So it's got three filters as well. But the for the cleaning, for one is for the allergens, one for the bacteria, and one is in general filtration. It's a good size. I mean, if you can see my window up there, is a good size I mean, in water cooler, and it's got a good throw. The only the that I would say a disadvantage it has got, it doesn't come with any ice bricks. So there are other technologies like, there's other technologies they're doing, and they provide the ice bricks with the cooler, but there's no ice bricks. So what you have to do is you have to use your ice cubes and then put water in the with the ice cubes inside. There is no ice bricks provided. That is one of the disadvantage. And I've seen the other air coolers. Their throw is quite good. With this one, the throw is not as good because basically they're controlling the sound. So they work inversely proportioned. So when there is more throw, there's more sound, and obviously that can cause disruption in your sleep. If this one is quite good with the sound. It's not very noisy, and I think they're trying to control this way that the throw is not as it's not massively. So this is low. This is the highest, but you can hear the sound. It's not too bad. I mean, you can feel it, but there is one thing that needs to be noticed, that always with a water cooler, they can never be same as air conditioned, because water cooler actually cools you down, whereas air conditioners, they cool the whole room. So that's a massive difference I've noticed. That is, I think, is a significant difference between air cooler and air condition. Air coolers do require windows to be open in order to, to cool the room, not the room yourself. So where you're sitting, you will keep the air cooler to yourself, and that will give you a pleasant feeling. Whereas with air condition, that's not the case. You can just leave the air condition anywhere you like, and it will start cooling the whole room. Okay. Yeah, and that's all it, guys. Thank you for watching.